What's the meaning of constitutional court? Constitutional court. Constitutional court.
Constitutional court. Constitutional court. The Constitutional Court is a judicial body responsible for enforcing and interpreting a country's constitution. Its main function is to ensure that the actions of government institutions and officials are in accordance with constitutional principles and that the fundamental rights of citizens are respected. The decisions made by the Constitutional Court are final and binding, and they have a significant impact on the legal and political landscape of a country. Its rulings can establish new legal precedents, strike down existing laws, and even remove elected officials from office if necessary.